Says the y-coordinate of the vertex. Well, if you want the vertex, we need the standard form. But how do we deal with an a value that's a fraction? Well, step one, we want to factor that out. We'll still have the minus 1 at the end. Factoring the 1/5 out of the 1/5 x squared is actually really easy. It's just going to be x squared. But factoring a 1/5 out of a 2, how do we go about doing that? Right? It's going to be plus 10x. So two ways you can go about getting the 10x. I think the easiest way is I imagine I need this to multiply to get me that 2x. 1/5 is like dividing by 5. What number could I divide by 5 to get my answer to be 2? The only thing that would be is 10. The other thing you could do is you could count 1/5. Does it make sense that you would need 5 of them to make 1? How many would you need to make 2? You would need 10 of them to make 2. But I think it's easier to instead imagine what number has to go here. So if I multiply it by 1/5, I get the 2, and the answer would be a 10x. Leave my 2 spaces. Now the rest of this question's fairly straightforward. That 10x tells us it's going to have to be an x plus 5 squared. That means in this purple space, there would have to be a plus 25. That 1/5, I've actually added 5. So in the other purple space, to compensate, I subtract 5. My vertex is at minus 5 minus 6. So my y-coordinate of my vertex is going to be negative 6. Circle question 7.